A lot of what we're talking about in the markets today is that we have to compress these products. We have to repackage these products. So understanding what those products are, we may have to go back to changing what the product is in order to package it differently. And one of the things that we watch very carefully from designing in our machinery is density. There's a volume change with a weight that actually we watch is the overall density. In our case with foam, there's what we call a compression set. And the amount of pressure that we put on that package is going to affect how it recovers. So this is a key thing that the industry today isn't watching yet. What we're looking at from a C3 standpoint is that before we start talking about any machinery, we'll give you these calculators, things like this, to help you calculate exactly what that load is on that pressure or on that package in that compressed state. And then we'll come back with options. So with these options, we're going to analyze and say, okay, look, if maybe we don't fold and we just roll it. And so we're taking a product and we're just, there's one format that we're going to end up, we could have several different formats. Here's an example of product that we actually rolled twice, and it ended up being something that, in one format maybe the density was 19, the other format maybe it's 25. But if you're looking at it, maybe one has an advantage on the customer's shelf and overall packaging cost as far as wrapping and other functions to get it to that point. So we look at all the options, and then we start to analyze the packaging cost, shipping, retail, whatever. A lot of things, there's going to be some drivers out here like shelf space and things like this that may dictate what the packaging should be. And then we have to work our way back as to what the product should be on the other end. There may have to be some small tweaks that has to happen. So the whole point of this conversation, we're not even talking about a machine to make any of this happen. What we're talking about is what is the end product, what's the best way to get it to our consumers, and then try to back and re-engineer and go back and say what changes need to happen in the process to get it to that format and what changes have to happen in the end product.